It's Andrew from Better Sheets. I am the Google Sheets wizard here at Better Sheets, just giving you a quick update on what's going on, what's being released, and what to expect in the next month or two. I've been working on a pretty big project called Sheet Ops. It's releasing today. I have a video scheduled. It's a task manager that's been automated to a crazy extent, connects to Google Calendar, Google Tasks, Gmail, really cool stuff. Lifetime members have been using it for the past week or so. If you're watching this and you're like, what is he talking about? You're probably not a lifetime member. And I want to share with you a few things about what it means to be a lifetime member and what to expect. In building this one product, I ended up having another idea, and I actually put a video out this weekend that is like a MailChimp clone. And it took me about 45 minutes to an hour. It was the idea that basically I'm creating this task manager and I'm sending out these emails when I want to, but I wanted to create just an active sending sheet instead of something that holds data and keeps it up to date. I just wanted to make it a very active sheet that could do much more emails than I could personally do. I didn't want to go buy ConvertKit or MailChimp or any of those. I actually use ConvertKit already, but I just wanted something very simple but powerful. So I'm making a new product called SheetSend. That will come out soon. Lifetime members will get first access. You actually have access to that on YouTube. I first coded it out, but then I realized I really want to make this user-friendly. And I want to make it super powerful. I don't want to make just another YouTube video. I want to make this a product that you can buy and you can get updates all the time. When you buy a product from Better Sheets, you get lifetime updates. Anytime I'm updating it, either bugs or new features, you're getting those absolutely free. And so I wanted to give you a little heads up that those two products are going to come out. And then already I had a question from a member who was like, hey, can I send birthday reminders or get birthday reminders or send automatic emails from birthdays? And I said, that could be a use case for this. But then I was like, wait, I think this is a whole nother product. I am busy on that third product. It's going to be called Happy Sheet, I think. It's going to be just annual events that you want to be reminded of, or even just automatically send those emails. But there's lots of ways to contact people, and I found out from people asking about WhatsApp and Telegram for this task manager, I realized you could send WhatsApp messages, even SMS messages. One of the most common things I've been requested of in Google Sheets is, can Google Sheets send SMS messages? No, it can't alone. You need to have an API like Twilio. I actually coded the Twilio API already. I'm going to be testing that, hopefully, or finding a tester who wants to use Twilio. And yeah, that's going to be a full-blown product as well. Very exciting times here at Better Sheets, where I'm not just making YouTube videos, I'm not just making tutorials that you follow along with, and I'm not just making the sheets that you are going to be able to download right away. You're going to be able to get full-blown products that are built inside of Google Sheets. These are different. These are full-blown automated tools that you're going to be able to use in your business right away. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes of setting up, fixing those little settings, making sure it's working for you, connected to your Gmail. It's going to work way better than any Google Sheet you've ever used before. It's going to do a lot of stuff you're probably already doing manually. You might be writing emails, checking in with people, sending birthday reminders through email or WhatsApp or Facebook. It'll do all of this for you or with you. Stay tuned, but also become a member today in one of three ways. One, get any freebie, anything that I give away for free, like Big Year, bettersheets.co/Big Year. It's a free Google Sheet template of a calendar, the entire year, all in one tab. Go grab that for free, and then you're on my email list. Or become a member for $9 a month at bettersheets.co. You get all of the videos for free, plus any template or sheet that I feature inside that video, not the products, but the sheets in the video, you get to copy directly to your Google Drive. Become a lifetime member, because then you never have to pay me again. Pay me once, and then you get forever updates, new products like this Sheet Ops will be free for lifetime members. In fact, it already is. They got it early and free, which is pretty cool. They got to test it. ask for features. I built at least 3 features that lifetime members have asked for. And that was really exciting and fun to get early testers and early users that are using this Sheet Ops inside of their business right now. Stay tuned. Today I'm launching Sheet Ops. Look for that video later today.